All right, a lot of us have been asking on how to download and activate Arduino IDE in our system or laptop. So today, Electron Automation is going to create a possible solution for it. So all you need to do is to click on your Chrome for you to download the Arduino IDE. So when you click on your Chrome, you search Arduino IDE download for my PC. So you type Arduino IDE for my PC, then you click on it. After clicking on it, you see download and install Arduino IDE. Then you click on it. After clicking on download and install Arduino IDE, you see so many options. So all you need to do is to scroll down. You have seen for Windows, for Mac OS. So your own is for Windows. If you are from OS, you come down here. But if you are for Linux, you scroll down to Linux and so on. So all we need to do, since we are going to install in our PC right now, so all you need to do is to download the latest release for our PC. So you click on it. So after clicking, you wait for some time for system to pick. All right, as you can see, it's downloading. So it's downloading it here now. So you wait for it to download all. Is it? So you wait for it to download. Successfully downloading the Arduino IDE for Windows. All you need to do is to click on it, and so after that, I agree. So you say install. After clicking on install, you wait for some minutes for the installation setup to be done. All right, so the moment the installation is done, you click on finish. Click on finish. So all right, you can see the Arduino IDE have been successfully installed. So you can start using it. Just click on it and you wait for some minutes for it to open the integrated development environment for you to start using it. So it's as so after installing the Arduino IDE, you see it in your desktop, and it's as simple as you can see. So you just click on it and open so as to start using it for your own project. So you click on allow access. So from there you can start using your Arduino IDE as simple as it is. So this is just the how the integrated development environment is. So you can start using their code. Let's see example from the Arduino IDE. Example basic. From basic, let's see Blink LED. Alright, so we are going to see the Arduino IDE example code for Blink LED. Alright, so this is the example code for Arduino IDE Blink LED. So I hope the explanation is clear. If there is any question, drop it at our comment section. Thank you.